Supersizing a business is often baptism by fire. Sharon Horne-Ellstrom here, and our idiom for today, our spiritual idiom for the month of April, is baptism by fire. Now, the one day I want the fire and the flames emoji or filter, or the flames filter, not emoji, from Facebook where I'm recording this, it's not available. So pretend there's flames flying all around me and that we're talking about baptism by fire. This is, of course, a biblical idiom. It comes from Matthew 3:13. John the Baptist said it in the New Testament of the Bible, Matthew 3:11, 3:13, 3:11. And it means an ordeal or a martyrdom, or often it's used to refer to soldiers the first time that they are in battle. Any person learning something the hard way or through challenges or difficulties, it can be said that they are doing a trial or baptism by fire. Since the 1857, it's been used metaphorically to mean any time, at least in English, that a person is going through an initiation or an especially difficult time. So think of fraternities and sorority initiations. Those are often baptism by fire, thus the hazing and crazy things that people have done in the day. Anytime you start something new, a new job, switch careers, switch industries. When we're building our business, how about becoming a parent? Becoming a parent, for the vast majority of us, is baptism by fire. You figure it out as you go. You know, I guess with Dr. Spock, and when was that, the 1940s, he wrote his book about parenting. But prior to that, it was just handed down from person to person, generation to generation, how you raised a child. It wasn't really ever written down. These are the guidelines for raising a good human being. I don't know if there's probably tomes and things written about it now, but I have not gone out searching for them. Relationships are often by baptism by fire. You know, I'm not a guy, but usually in my day it was men asked the women out, and oftentimes they crashed and burned because they would say no. And so that was an example of trying to start or initiate a new relationship is often baptism by fire. Now, what is more baptism by fire than growing and building and supersizing a business? I've grown and built and supersized several businesses and in different industries, and it's always been, at times, very difficult and very challenging, right? We faced many challenges, both of our own making as well as things that are outside of our control. COVID pandemic, if up until the COVID pandemic, you'd never faced a challenge to your business and building and supersizing your business, you definitely faced one then. You either had to change and pivot and do things differently, or millions of people absolutely positively lost their businesses altogether. So today, I would like to know, and I would love for you to share one challenge that you faced as you're building and supersizing and growing your business. One challenge that you faced, whether you've overcome it or not, just share a challenge that you would consider a baptism by fire experience. I've had so many baptism by fire experiences in my life. If you want to know some of mine, just ask. I laugh about them now because at the time I definitely felt like I was in the fire, but now I realize what I learned. And once you go through something, once you face a fear and take action through it, you're never afraid of that situation again. At least I'm not. I just find new things to challenge me and to be a little afraid of, and to work my way through by stretching my comfort zone. All right. Any questions, any comments about baptism by fire, hit me up. Otherwise, I will be with you tomorrow with another spirit-related idiom for the month of April to coincide with this year's annual challenge to do one thing every day that improves us. All right. Have a great day. I'll be with you tomorrow. Bye.